Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making potato salad, so let's get started. I will start by boiling some eggs which I will be adding to the salad. Then I'll go ahead and peel some potatoes and boil. You can also boil this before peeling, but I like to peel it, cut it and then boil. With salt, so add a little amount of salt or according to your taste or depending on the quantity of the potato you are cooking. Also well cooked. Now I've transferred into a cool water so I can get cool, and I'll be adding carrot to it. So I'll go ahead and also cut my carrot into cubes. I'm going to add the carrot to the potato to cook for about a minute, just a minute to soften. The potato is well cooked now, but still firm, and the carrot is enough for me. So I'm going to take it out from the fire or heat now and transfer into a sieve. I also pour some cold water on it so that it will stop cooking. And when it drains water from this sieve, I'll transfer into a bowl, keep it in the fridge to be cooling down while I prepare Preparing everything, let's make our potato salad. Into the mixing bowl, I'll add my salad dressing or salad cream. This is a mixture of mayonnaise, yogurt, black pepper, chili pepper, lemon, and some dried parsley. So I just added the potato and carrot, which we cooked earlier, the eggs, which we also cut earlier, and the cucumbers. Here I have some leftover sweet corn and baked beans from the previous salad we made. If you have not seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. That's our pasta salad, very delicious salad. So check that video and also add it to your salad recipes. I'll go ahead and mix everything together. Very delicious one. To enjoy this, I'll keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour before serving. And here we have our delicious and creamy salad. You can call this potato, carrot, and cucumber salad, potato, carrot, egg, and cucumber salad. Just any name you like, but it is a very, very delicious salad. I hope you will give this a try. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.